today I'm going to do an experiment which explains that to make something burn we need oxygen. So for this experiment I take a glass cup, some baking soda, vinegar and a candle lighted. So first put some baking soda into that glass. So after you put that, you must pour vinegar into it and immediately show to the fire. So you can see that after I did this, the fire went out. So this is because when we light a fire, it needs oxygen. So it takes the oxygen from the surroundings and lights the fire. But in this experiment, if we mix baking soda which is also called as sodium bicarbonate, and then vinegar which contains acetic acid, gives carbon dioxide as a result. So when I show this, carbon dioxide moves there, making the oxygen go away. So it doesn't have oxygen to burn. So it goes off. Thank you.